So go ahead and launch a VEX Code V5 from your desktop. You'll see this screen will open up. This is where we do all of our programming. The first thing you want to do is just figure out where you're going to save the file. So if you go up to File, Save As, if you scroll down on the left side here, you'll see this PC. Click on that. If I scroll down here, you're going to see something called the Z drive. You'll see a parenthesis with a Z inside of it. That's our TechEd Z drive, where you can access it from any computer in the TechEd wing of the building. You'll see Mr. Nolt, and you'll see robotics folder, and then you'll see your team number folder. So if I'm in team number 2, I'm going to open that up. This first file I'm going to call basketball drills. As you work through the different lessons, you'll see different instructions to save it as a certain name. That way it's easy to find the file at a later date if you need to refer back to it. Alright, so basketball drills is saved there. The next thing I want to do, once it's saved, you'll first of all see that the name of the file is up here. The second thing I want to do is go over to the motor setup. We're going to add a device. We're going to add a 2-drive motor. It is possible to name the motor separately, but just for now, we're just going to do the drivetrain 2 motor. The left motor is going to be plugged into port 1. The right motor is going to be plugged into port 10. For now, we're not going to use any gyro, so just do no gyro. And you'll see in here there's all sorts of different settings that you can adjust based on how your physical robot is set up. For now, we're just going to leave that as shown there. I'm going to leave that on the green. So I'm not going to change anything, but note that you can change it. I'm going to hit done, and you'll see that's set up and now knows how our physical robot is configured. Okay, I will then go and create the file as explained in the instructions in the different lessons. When my file is all ready, up top here you'll see there's a place for you to download to your brain. So I have my brain plugged into the computer here, the USB drive. If I go to download, it's going to compile the project and it's going to download it to the actual physical brain of your robot. If I hit run, it will run the program and you'll see something happen on your touch screen. When I'm ready to stop it, just hit stop and it's going to stop the program. Okay, so I found that's the easiest way to download and run a program. You could also press it on the touchscreen of the brain. You can find and navigate the file that way, but from my experience, it's just easier to do it from the VEX V5 software. Just do it that way. But note that there are other ways you could do it. All right, so that'll get you started. Always make sure you save your work, okay, so that any changes are saved to your Z drive.